Hello, this video will explain the decision for round 1 of Capsim Capstone 2017. This new strategy will help the company win on the round of the game from round 1 to round 8. We do not have to sacrifice three first round. We can win the game from round 1 with own good net profit and sales and the other evaluation criteria. First, we need to create based on industry condition report to create four different strategies so that it depends on each game we can develop and do R&D to improve our product based on the drift only or some product we can upgrade with the ideal spot or 50% of ideal spot adjustment. We call that sweet spot, and also we can adjust with 30% in case of too long time and too high cost, so we can increase with 30 or 28% as we are seeing in the screen. So we need to prepare the Excel file to keep track of our decision for all 8 rounds. The first round we add one more product, we call that low end or another low end, we call that ALE number 2 to easily identify that is low end product. And also we use 14,000 mean time before failure MTBF. We do not use the lowest 12,000 here. We use 14,000, the medium between the lowest and highest MTBF to maintain that, because we check with the buying criteria. It accounts for from 7 to 9% purchasing decision. So we change the strategy to keep that in the average for all the products. So we have a set of 14,000 for low end products and 17,000 for traditional and 20,000 for size only, and then 23,000 for high end product. Only for performance, so we increase that to 27,000. So that's quite logical. We increase the point time before failure about 3,000 for each segment. And this the performance and size we set for able the first traditional product, we set that 5.7 and 4 pin through the ideal spot, and will be launched in March 2018. And the low end product we keep that 3.0 and 14,000. The same, we do not update this product because the edge of this product is very important in purchasing decision. So we keep that the same as long as we can, because customer want more stable product with cheap price. So low tech product will not be updated every year. We keep that the same to maintain the stabilities. We update the high end and also we update the performance. Sometimes we cannot update to the ideal spot, so we can update the high end to strategy number 4, the 30% adjustment or 28% adjustment, 8.6 and 11.4. And for the performance, we can use that size, we can use that to the 50% adjustment, 4.2 and 10.3. The key point here is we try to launch the new products in May or June or early July, so that we have half of the year to sell the new developed product. That saves the cost, and we can get the cost of development, and you can get the higher revenue and net profit for the newly developed product. And we check after doing R&D, we can check that with the report from last year to see the customer demand buying criteria for each report, to make sure that our product is higher than customer buying criteria or customer buying expectation. From later rounds, so we will see that sometimes it costs too long time and too much cost to upgrade the product to ideal spot. Sometimes it's very easy, sometimes it's difficult. That's the interesting thing of the market fluctuation. For performance, we check all the 5 products for round 1 carefully to make sure that our product is a higher specification, is higher than customer demand in the report or career report from previous rounds. This is round report of round 2 we are seeing on the screen. For example, for high end is 4.0 and 10.6, but we are 4.5 and 4.2 and 10.3 So our product is better than customer expectation. The game depends on competitors' decision too. So this is our plan only based on the average factor from previous round, and result will depends on the strategy of our 5 other competitors too. Now we move to the marketing decision. For the marketing decision, the most important thing is to set the price, promotion budget, and sale budget. Our product is on top of the selling, so for each segment, we check the price again to make sure that our product's price is most competitive, but still as high as possible, so that we can have higher margin and higher sale and also higher net profit. For all the products, we can set the price from max price minus deduct 50 cents only, so we can keep our price as high as possible. If you don't do that, the other competitors may do so, because that's quite smart strategy. The only product that is low-end product, we keep that 21, because all the other competitors set that 21 from round 0. So after each round, we will reduce 50 cents of the products. And also for promotion and budget, it's better we spend 2,000 for both traditional and low-end product, and the other we keep that 1,500. If you want more details, we can adjust the budget a little bit by 100 to check the benchmark prediction increase or not, and also check out our total sales. But this is the optimal. We can try that if you want. And the key point of the game, one of the most important thing of the game is to calculate the sale focused the system, such as the sale focus. We can use that as a for reference, but we need to calculate more precise based on the report from previous year. So we need to check the market growth rate for each segment. So we have market growth rate for each segment. This can be changed from round to round, and also we get the sales focus from the report focus, demand focus, and also we multiple by the market demand, total market demand. We get the focus. We can add 20% for the round 1, because we develop the product to the ideal spot, and also we multiple the focus after deduct inventory by 15%. So we add 20% in focus and add 15% for production to get some surplus product, avoid the stock out cost. And also we upgrade the automation from 4 to 5 and from 5 to 6.7 for traditional and low-end product. We add 500 unit for the new low-end product. And this is human resource notation from round 1. The finance also very important. This is round 1 of the game, so we need to get as much investment as possible. So we get about max long term and max issue of stock, and only get around 5 million of cash in hand. But it's okay. After the game is processed, we can see that we get quite good result. And also we check the performance income statement with previous year sales. So we can sell 141 million with 5 million net profit. That is good enough. We get a net profit for all the items, all the 5 product segments. And balance scorecards, do not worry about balance scorecard from the first round, because the first round no company can get the good balance scorecard. We get 56, it's okay. After round 1 and round 2, round 3, we can get very good balance scorecard statement. And also we can check the ratio to see how many days of working capital, the leverage ratio 2.1, 60 days. This is only the estimation of our company. That is good. The real result can be good too, but not totally the same. So we save on the decision and wait for the result from the system. This is a result from round 1. After only season, we sell 152 million in sales, and we get about 5 million of net profit. That is good. As I say, the new strategy, we do not have to sacrifice net profit for the first 4 rounds. We can set a smart decision to win on the ground on 8 round of the game from round 1 to round 8. So it's okay. We get good profit, top profit 5.3 million and 9.4 million cumulative profit, and all the others good. We even have the highest market capitalization of 79 million too. We also can check the report, debrief report. We get good profit on top. After a few rounds, we win the best one. The market share is 21.5%. Good. ROS will be higher soon. Set turnover, ROA, ROE will be higher from next round. But this round we are on the top of stock price, market capitalization we are max. So again, this new strategy can bring the victory to the team in all 8 rounds. You can optimize as long as you want based on this strategy. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.